Apple is set to release earnings after the closing bell. So, what should investors be expecting? Joining us now to talk about that and everything else Apple is Adam Sarhan, founder and CEO of Sarhan Capital. And Adam, this is obviously a huge interest stock to a lot of America. Where is Apple stock right now, and how do you expect the stock to perform by the end of 2015?
Apple stock is in a sweet spot. It's an undervalued growth stock right now from my perspective. If you look at it from a valuation standpoint, it's still fairly valued. It's not overvalued. It's growing its earnings. It's growing its sales, which is something very, very strong. So it appeals to both value investors that are looking for cheap stocks and also growth investors that want that growth quarter after quarter.
Now, Adam, how does the dividend and the buyback story play out for your stock thesis as well?
Oh, Apple's a great stock because they're buying back stock, plus they give a dividend, so it also appeals to those investors. But more importantly, Apple's got a unique situation where they are firing on all cylinders. They have a very strong ecosystem. They have products that are in demand. They have the go-to item for the Christmas holiday season with the iPhones. Also, they have the watch right up on deck. So they're greatly positioned for 2015 and beyond.
All right, so Adam, let's hold there because I have an iPhone 6. I did get one for the holiday season, but everyone's talking about this Apple Watch. What exactly is going to be expected from this watch? When's it supposed to be released? It's supposed to be the first half of this year. Do you think this device is really going to perform well with consumers? Do you think it'll be a hit or a miss, and why?
I think it's going to be a huge hit. Just like the iPhone came out of nowhere and it revolutionized the way people use their mobile phones, I think the watch, the technology that's packed into that watch has the potential to revolutionize and be a game changer the way people use their watch. The old watch was just a basic timepiece. Now we have the timepiece on our phone, so from a functionality standpoint, the watch is obsolete. Now it's a good fashion item, it's a good accessory, but the function is no longer there. So if you take the technology that's in the iPhone and some of those proportions and you say, okay, you know what, let's pack that into a watch, it now can be a functioning item again that's useful for the consumer, and that's huge.
All right, so Adam, Apple is the biggest company in the world. They had a huge growth driver. They revolutionized smartphones with the iPhone. They revolutionized tablets with the iPad, and now they may have a good watch product coming out. But the question then remains, there are a lot of headwinds for this company. What exactly are the biggest ones for this company facing, is Apple facing in 2015?
The biggest headwinds from my point of view is competition. You have a tremendous amount of competition coming in from all players across the board, small and large. Microsoft wants to get in the game, Samsung wants to get in the game, Google wants to get in the game, ... But the reality is Apple's got the ecosystem, they've got the brand recognition, they've got the infrastructure in place, they've got the retail locations all over the world. They're expanding now in China, which is a huge market, also overseas in other developing nations, and there's billions of people out there that do not currently have Apple products that are coming to market every single day, and that's only going to grow going forward.
All right, so there's the bullish case for Apple. They can overcome those hurdles that they've got here, so we'll see if that story plays out for Apple in 2015. Thank you so much, Adam Sarhan, for joining us here, and thanks for watching The Tech Bet. I'm Dominic Chu. Until next time, have a great day.